welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turning on your post notifications. As you can see, I'm rocking a new highlighted wig. This hair is brought to you by Isee Hair Company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I re-dyed this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep on watching. Bye.
Isee, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this box, I received a wig cap, an informational card, an elastic band, some eyelashes, a hair wrap, edge control brush, and a bonnet. Whew, that's a lot of stuff. So I received a 30-inch lace closure unit. She is a 4x4 lace closure unit at 180% density. She is 30 inches. She is a transparent lace unit with adjustable straps and combs. So I wanted to try something new on my channel. I already did this gray look, the little Oreo look. So I wanted to get my pink dyes, which is the pink rose and the soft lavender. I mixed those bottles up and just applied it to my wig. I did it by hand, track by track, instead of the watercolor method, because I feel like this is, no room for mistakes. Doing the watercolor method, some pieces might not be dyed, and this hair is super thick, so I did not want any pieces to come out gray. I want it all to be one color, and I loved the results, and it's super vibrant. So if you want your colors to be very vibrant, definitely do it track by track and applying the dye, and you won't waste too much dye. So I just did that and then let that sit for about an hour. Once an hour is up, I went ahead and bleached the knots using my quick blue powder and 40 volume developer. Mixed that up to create a thick consistency. I got my Adore eggplant, 2 drops only. Mix that together. This will create like a nice scalp-like look on your lace wigs. I've been doing this method for maybe 6 wigs in, and I love this method so far. So I just applied it to the wig and then let that sit for about 30 minutes. So as you can see, I am washing out this unit. Look at how bomb these knots bleached. So this method works amazing. And then I finish it off with some L'Oreal purple conditioner. So as you can see, this is the next day, and I'm going to go ahead and pluck this closure. I'm testing out some products in this video, so these products will not be linked down below. Let me know what I should start selling on my wig care line, so this can be readily available to you as soon as possible. Yeah. So here I'm doing the Argentay method, so just pluck or part your edges first and then pluck behind that hairline. So just in case you over pluck, at least you have some hair in the front. And then I finish it off and do a nice light pluck on the perimeter of the hair, if that makes sense. You can see it visually, okay? So I'm going to take this OG heat protectant, spray it all throughout this unit. I want this unit to be bone straight. I'm going to go ahead and take my Amazon Find this heating tool. What is this called? A flat iron. This flat iron is so bomb. Like, it gets all my units bone straight. So I'll link that below because I'm not selling it. It's just something I found. And this is the results. So as you can see, I have my wig cap on. It's looking a mess because I'm over here testing new products out. It looked crazy. I was using like a tinted mousse, and it didn't go so well. I don't even think you use it on your wig caps, honestly. So Yeah, it's a lot I'm testing out on this channel. So here I am applying this unit. Don't forget to add your concealer to your lace. And then here I'm taking my Eben spray. Clean up that area before applying that spray so it could adhere to your skin way better and last longer. Once that's dry, just apply your unit to your skin and get your comb to adhere the lace to your skin. Don't use your fingers because then it will cause your product to turn white and you don't want that. And then I add some more Eben spray on top of the lace to my skin. And you guys, let me tell you, I invested in one of those eyelash fans. Is that what it's called? Eyelash fans. And it works so good for my makeup and bomb for my wig units. And it's like, you know, portable, so you don't have to plug in your hair dryer to dry off your stuff. It blows really good. I'll link that down below, but this is something like I'm gonna be using all the time. I'm so glad I invested in something like this. Makes my wig install experience way better, funner, and faster. Things that I really like, okay? So once we melt our lace to the skin with our elastic band, here I'm using a wax stick that I'm also testing. I don't really like it, to be honest, because it's too much, you know, wax coming out of it. As you can see, all the white residue, it kind of melts with using that hot comb. But yeah, you guys, I've been testing a lot of products out, seeing what I really like. So it's gonna be, you know, a journey with this. But you commenting down and DMing me what you would like to see from me definitely helps so much. And yeah, it helps you guys out as well, because you know I want to sell quality products and safe on your skin as well. But yeah, once you got that part flattened, because we want a nice bone straight look, we're going to take off our elastic bands and cut the lace off using a eyebrow razor. Super easy. You can buy these in bulk. I use them all the time for my wig installs. And then here's a step that I kind of really didn't like. I don't really like the baby hairs that I did on this unit, to be honest, but this is, you know, how I'm doing my baby hairs. Just part a nice thin layer and using some melting spray in between the edges and the hairline, and then drying that before you apply your elastic band. Make sure everything is dry before you apply your elastic band so anything won't turn white, you know, your hairline won't turn white, because that's a no-no. Okay, you can't fix that. Well, technically you can with alcohol wipes, but I'm just letting you guys know that for future references. Okay. And then here, while it's melting again, I'm just cleaning up my hair, making sure everything is straight as possible. This unit is so long on me. I haven't had 30-inch wigs in a long time. It goes all the way down to my butt. It's giving Nicki Minaj, pink era. And then got, you know, my makeup on. Super cute. I like this look. Like the eye makeup with the hairstyle looks bomb. And then as you can see, I'm using my alcohol wipe to clean up the residue, my flat hot comb to press out these baby hairs. And this is a new product I'm testing out as well, because the pencil flat iron, y'all, I'm talking a lot, I'm like out of breath. But the pencil flat iron is something I really want to sell on my website, so I'm trying to find the perfect product to sell. And this is so like important to like the baby hair experience. So yeah, this is something I'm testing. I don't know if I like it. I'm getting used to it, so we'll see you guys. But that's basically it on how I install my closure wigs. It's super easy. I think closure wigs are the best for people who are just beginning their wig experience journey. Frontals is more for like the pros, I feel like, because you're focused on the whole perimeter of the head instead of like just the top of your head, you know. And it helps like save your hair too. The closures is way safer than frontals. And yeah, so I just use some mousse to swoop those baby hairs, and that's basically it. I love how it turned out. The hair got super straight and there was not too much tangling and no shedding at all. Thank you so much, Isee Hair Company, for letting me try out your wig. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen,